everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always promised. Today I brought for you some small object, but I really like it so much and it will give so beautiful view for your bike, bicycle or car. It's not cost that much, just like $10, but trust me, you will like it so much if you have BMW, because I am a fan with BMW and I hate Mercedes for her electric problems. This is tire valve, cover. This is BMW, let me unbox it for you. It's just a small thing, have 4 pieces inside, but I really like it so much. I'm gonna show you here because it's not deserved even to do video about it, just I would like to show you that you may wanna buy like this anytime, This is BMW, symbol. This is, you cover your tire valve, It has 4 pieces inside, okay? They are, from here up, it's like gum, It's gummy, and it's, yeah, it's kind of plastic, but the insider here is metal, okay? You have here the insure. For example, that not anyone can come just untight it and steal it, It's have here hole, if you see guys, and have 4 spikes here. And they give me this small key, I can tie the spike inside and no one can steal it easy. This is really beautiful. Guys, I have my bike, I did for her M stickers and I put for her this time. Let's go install it and see how it looks like. Okay guys, here's the final result for my bike. Don't tell me it's not cool. Come on. Don't tell me that I didn't make it see this, baby. Don't tell me that I didn't make it cool, huh? See. And also here, and let's go to the one that we're talking about here. See? Let's see guys how I done this. See? It's like the M. See? And here, here, here. See guys, I still not finished this one. I will continue it tomorrow because I'm tired. What do you think guys? Don't tell me I didn't make it cool. Come on. What do you think? Anyway guys, as you see, it's really give beautiful shape. If you have bike or bicycle or car, especially if it's BMW and you wanna install this, it just costs $10 and this will give beautiful shape. And the most thing that I like, it has this insurance that I can tighten it, so no one can steal it easy, I mean, if they have time to steal, they will do it, but it will take more time and stealers are always scared to do something. You want to do it fast and quickly, and it's not deserved to steal. I mean, for $8 or something like this, you will go put yourself in this. But anyway, guys, there is 2 kinds when I order this. This is black and there is silver. According to your car, if you have black tire, if you have black disc, so order the black one. If you have silver or stainless steel disc, you can order the silver stainless steel. This is for BMW, okay? But this company, they create for all, for M5, for Alpina, Audi, Toyota, and this rubbish Japanese and Korean cars. You can, according to your car, sure. But I do not respect so much when I see someone have Toyota or have Nissan and he put sticker for M. Or I put sticker for Mercedes or like this. So man, why don't you buy Mercedes or BMW? You have to buy these trash cars and put sticker for M. Or maybe he think when he put sticker for M serious, his car would be sport, There's a lot of funny people in this world, really. So anyway guys, as I told you, it's not deserved to do a video about it, just I was like it so much, I was want to share it with you. And we'll see another video with Hatem from Objection. So guys, peace and love and money and BMW for all of you.